Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're gonna learn shooting skincare product in a creative environment. So let's start with the equipment we're gonna use today. We'll start with the camera. The camera is a Sony a7R4. We have the lens. The lens is a Sony 90mm macro. Now we're gonna move on to the lights. On one side you got the Explorer 600 Pro. On the other side, you got the same lighting, Explorer 600 Pro. On the front, we have the Godox 8200 Pro flash connected to a spotlight with a gobo that will give us nice, moody background. I will show you the light in a second. Using, like in my previous tutorial, the iPad Pro to watch the live view, and I can also capture from the same iPad, but at this moment I'm choosing just to capture from the camera. Let's talk about the product. The product is standing on a marble tray. This tray can be purchased on Amazon or any place you basically want. On the background we also have like two ceramic vases. We have a surface that is textured. It's a small setup, that's why I'm using the Sony 90mm macro, so I can get in my shot and I'm not gonna get anything around it. Okay, I think we're ready to shoot. Let's start with the first shot and see what we get. I'm gonna start with the front light, which is the 8200 Godox that is connected to the spotlight. That's the light that's basically gonna give us the nice shadows in the background. Depends on the gobo we're going to use, obviously. So the gobo I chose to use in this shot is something like that. I don't know if you can see. And that's gonna give us nice shadows and highlight in the background. Okay, I think we're ready for the first shot and let's see how it looks. Okay, it's very nice. As you can see, we got the lines in the background which are created by the gobo in the spotlight. I'm not really looking at the product so much right now. I just want to make sure we have a nice moody shot and we have a nice moody background, and then I'm going to work on the lighting for the product itself after I'm finishing with the backlight. Now I'm going to place the diffuser near the product, and I'm going to use this clamp to hold it. Normally for shots like that I want to create a nice moody background with the gobo, I will take two different shots. One for the background, make sure the shot is good, and then I'm going to create another shot for the product itself, and then we're going to combine them in Photoshop. Sometimes I don't do it, I just do it all at once, but in some specific products I rather do separation and then put them together for better results. Alright, we got one side, let's see how it looks, and we're gonna start adjusting that accordingly. Alright, it looks good, starting to get nice gradient on the metal. We're going to keep increasing and changing the lights until we're gonna have a nice size. Okay, that's better. As you can see, we have a nice gradation on the metal, which is good. I think we can't really move this guy more to the side. So at this point, we're going to need to introduce another diffuser on the other side and create the same thing. Okay, great. I placed another diffuser on the right side of the product, and also I turned the light on. And what we have so far is that, as you can see, now we got two highlights on the metal. We will need to lower the intensity of the light a little bit because it's a little bit too bright and it looks a little white. So we want to make sure it looks like metal. Okay, let's take another shot. See where we are. Okay, great. Now we can see the metal and we can see the gradation on the metal itself. I adjusted the diffusers a little bit. I got them closer and I got them further to the front, and now it looks better because we get more of the front of the product light up and not too dark. as I previously said, I'm going to show you the spotlight I'm using. It's a spotlight mount. It's 36 degrees. It's aperture spotlight mount, and all you need to do, as you can see, it's bone mount over here. So you can just connect your lighting over here, and you can control this thing, control all the angles of the lights. You can control as well what type of gobo you're going to put inside, which gives you nice shapes as well. This unfortunately doesn't work with the Explorer Pro 600. For some reason the Explorer Pro have a giant bulb, so it doesn't fit here. So that is the reason I have to use the AD200 by Gorax, which fits over here. So that's it for today for a quick tutorial. Please comment below if you have any other questions, and I hope you enjoyed and got some knowledge out of it. All right, bye.